In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the wiper blades on this Honda Civic. Just so you know, the passenger side takes a 22-inch blade and the driver's side actually takes a 26-inch blade, so it's a little bit longer. If you need any parts, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Before we get started, I just wanted to mention that the passenger side wiper blade is a 22-inch blade and the driver's side is actually a 26-inch blade. So it's a little bit longer. Make sure you get those right so that the windshield can be cleared properly. Doesn't matter which one you do first. Reach in and lift up the wiper arm. Your existing wiper might be set up differently. For me, I have to pop up this little cap here. At this point, sometimes there might be a tab underneath that you can press on. In this case, the cap is what holds the blade on. So I'm going to pull it down. That'll unhook it from the wiper arm. You do not want to let go of the wiper arm at this point because if it falls and hits the windshield, it will crack it. So hold it and of course have your other wiper blade ready. Take that and hook it right onto the wiper arm. Press it on until it locks in. On each end of the wiper blade, you'll have this plastic protective piece that you're going to want to remove. Otherwise, it'll scratch the windshield and it actually will not wipe at all. Same on the bottom. Once you're done, put the wiper blade down and do the same on the other side. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.